Hey guys, welcome to Legendary Detail Garage. Today we're going to be discussing paint protection film. What is paint protection film? It is a self-healing, clear protective film that can be applied to all painted surfaces, including headlights, plastic trim, black piano trim, and like I said, painted surfaces. What are the benefits of it? You're driving down the road going 80 miles an hour, maybe a little bit faster than that. You get a whole bunch of rocks coming at you. This film is going to stop that. Your paint is not going to be chipped. Bugs are going to stick to the film but not etch your clear coat. The bugs will wash off. Depending on what film you choose, we carry Fusion Plus, which is a ceramic coated paint protection film, and then we also just carry Plus, which is a standard film. It still has very good hydrophobic properties, but adding that ceramic coating on top makes it a 10 out of 10. We can protect all surfaces, whether it's just your bumper, maybe you're just interested in protecting the leading edge of your hood and the bumper. It is kind of an a la carte system. We preferably like to do full front surfaces because that's going to provide you the best protection, meaning we're going to wrap from the front edge to the rear edge of the hood. The big benefit of that is you won't get that line going down the middle of your hood. Over time, it does tend to build up dirt and just contamination. So if you want a practically invisible install, we recommend doing the full hood and full panels. We can also do partial fenders or full fenders. And of course the bumper, it's just kind of a one size, we do all the areas that are painted. Another big thing about it is it does get registered to your vehicle's Carfax. So it comes with a 10-year warranty. It is covered by insurance if there's ever any damage, which we all know, even if you're very careful with your vehicle, someone else might, scuff it up, or a shopping cart at the grocery store, or kids. I mean, even if you're careful, they might rub up against it and damage it, or take a screwdriver to it, or throw a rock at it. Insurance does cover the cost of replacement. If you have any other questions about the film, about its benefits, give us a call, send us a message at info@legendarydetailgarage.com, or give us a call at 605-777-3012. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.